God. Hello, everyone. It's me, NYSE Einstein from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, October 16th. Dow Jones Industrial Average 22,956.96, up 85 points. Russell basically flat. S&P up 5 handles. Transports took a hit. Probably consolidation, profit taking from the massive rally in the car and airline stocks of last week. Gold off a bit. Crude up. Fears what's going on somewhere in Iraq, Iran. I speak very, very, very fluent Spanish. That caused a little bit of constriction on the oil markets and rallied it up to actually $52. That's a big number. That's the high end of the range. That's been from 42 to 52, 45 to 52. We're seeing it in oil act strong. Oil up, transports down. Maybe that's what that trade's about. You never really know. That is an inverse trade that has been traditionally working, not of late. Anyway, this market seems on fire. It's a broad-based rally, really. It's inching its way to 23,000. It's real money, real stocks, real markets. NYSE Einstein here inside Verstov. Stick with us. What's really going on? Is the economy getting better? It kind of feels that way. Are things in Washington getting a little bit more stable? Absolutely not, by no means. The only thing that could really dislocate this whole thing is if they postpone the tax reform thing. I think the only bet is right now that's keeping this market going, besides people in the wings are just watching it go higher. Nobody really wants to take profits and sell this market. I think everybody who's a big shorting bear market seller of this market has been decimated, is out running around the world in their underwear screaming and yelling, oh my God, I've lost all my money. They started at 18,000, 19,000, 20,000. We're at 23,000. Everybody who's short this market, the doctors of doom, have been wrong and they're being taken out on a stretcher. The only people who are in this market are those who are in it. They've been in it all year. They've been counter to every trend. They've been counter to every short. They're long, and they're winners. Right? Nothing wrong with that. End of the year tends to be a positive time of year. The last quarter, definitely interest rate raise coming in December. That doesn't seem to be phasing it. Nothing's phasing this market, ladies and gentlemen. Real numbers, real money coming into the market. Is the economy doing better? It's really hard to say. The only thing, I was listening to a report on CNN earlier from one of the Fed presidents who talked about, that the only thing that could really change this economy that people with money are participating in this rally, their disposable income is going up, and this market rally is making a difference in their lives. Those people who are part of the general public, in fact, when asked, it turns out that if they were to run into a catastrophic situation where they need anywhere from $500 to $5,000, they would not be able to pay it. For instance, increased health care, deductibles, and co-pays, and that their lives would be changed in a radical way. So there are different people who, the population is made up of all different upper middle class, lower class people. And this market, even while it is a lot more widespread than it was at some point, there are people who are not participating in the market. There are people who are not. But one of the other things that they mentioned was that you've got stores now, you've got Amazon where everything's bought online. You can see the complete breakdown in retail and in brick and mortar. You've got stores like Walmart and grocery stores where there's automatic checkout, so there's no cashiers left. You've got cars that drive themselves. The basic need and use of regular human beings for the workforce is definitely going to get impaired at some point. And is that going to affect the market in a big way? Is that going to affect the economy? Is that going to affect the population? I kind of think so. Something to think about. It was just a thought I thought I'd share with you. Net, records across the board, short of the transports, which is a little bit of a profit taking off of last week's all-time high above 10,000. This market's on fire. Dow 23,000 is just an inkling away. We're not in Kansas anymore, ladies and gentlemen. We're here at the NYSE Einstein. Stick with me, stick with the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Hop on this train. It is bound for glory. Giddy up.